Meaning of detail.
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 Detail. Detail refers to a specific aspect or feature of something that is often overlooked or not immediately apparent. It encompasses the smaller, finer points that make up the whole. Paying attention to details is important in ensuring accuracy and precision in various fields such as art, design, engineering, and science. It can also aid in problem solving and decision making by providing a more complete picture of the situation at hand. In summary, detail is the careful consideration of the smaller components that make up a larger entity.